Welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's try making some homemade chicken sausages. Store-bought sausages are not really healthy because it's made with processed meat. And even homemade sausages are sometimes not healthy because most of the people wrap the meat in plastic wrap and boil it. And friends, you all know, when we heat plastic, it emits so much of chemicals which is really dangerous for our body. So today I'm showing you a healthy method for homemade sausages. Stay tuned. Before we move on, click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to Grey Pot and click the bell icon to get all the new updates and notifications from our channel, which is completely free. First we're gonna marinate some minced meat with some garam masala, chili powder, some oregano, pepper powder, some cumin powder, crushed ginger and garlic. Here I've used so much of Indian spices. You can add more or less of the spices according to your choice. Now mix everything really well. Now take a good quality plastic wrap. So normally people used to put the meat directly onto the plastic wrap and roll it. But to make it more healthy, first I'm rolling the meat with a banana leaf. So apply some oil on top of the leaf and place around 2 tablespoons of the meat on top of it and roll it tightly. Once you roll the meat with the leaf, then again roll it with the plastic wrap. So in this way, the meat is not getting a direct contact with the plastic. Now twist both the sides of the plastic wrap to seal the edges. Now there you go, our one sausage is ready to boil. Likewise, prepare all the sausages. Now instead of banana leaves, you can also use cabbage or lettuce. But steam the cabbage leaves before you roll it. Once the sausages are prepared, boil some water and place the sausages inside the boiling water. And let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes until the meat is completely cooked. Now it is ready, you can take it out. And once it cools down, you can try to open it. Do it really carefully and gently, don't break the sausages. And there you go, our sausages are ready. You can immediately fry it and use it, or you can store this in a ziploc bag and freeze it. And whenever you need to fry the sausages, just take it out and keep it outside in room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes and then fry it. And I fried these sausages in the next day morning so that I can pack this in my kids' lunchbox. So for frying, heat some oil in a pan and shallow fry these sausages. Fry till it turns into this golden brown shades. So there you go. Our healthy, homemade Indian sausages are ready. So definitely try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And share this healthy recipe with your family and friends. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel Grey Pot. Do check it out. Thank you.